Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about EaseUS Todo Backup Home for Windows, a powerful and easy tool to protect your important data. Let's start. First of all, what is EaseUS Todo Backup Home? EaseUS Todo Backup Home is a backup and recovery software for Windows computers. It helps you create backups of your files, folders, system, and even the whole disk. If your PC crashes, gets a virus, or you delete something by mistake, this software helps you restore everything quickly and safely. It is designed for home users who want strong data protection without any technical knowledge. Now, let's talk about its key features. Here are some of the key features of EaseUS Todo Backup Home. File and folder backup. Protect your important documents and photos. System backup. Create a full backup of Windows. Disk and partition backup. Backup entire drives easily. Automatic scheduled backup. Set daily, weekly, or monthly backups. Incremental and differential backup. Saves time and storage space. One-click restore. Restore data in just a few steps. Clone disk. Copy HDD to SSD for faster performance. Password protection. Keep your backups secure. So, who can benefit most from it? EaseUS Todo Backup Home is perfect for home PC users, students with important assignments, office and remote workers, people upgrading to a new PC, anyone who wants automatic and safe data backup. Now, one of the most common questions is it safe to use? Yes, EaseUS Todo Backup Home is completely safe to use. It is developed by EaseUS, a trusted company known for backup and recovery software. The software does not harm your system and keeps your data private and secure. Now, how to use EaseUS? Using EaseUS Todo Backup is very simple. Just follow these steps. Install the software on your Windows PC. Open the program and click Create Backup. Choose what you want to backup, files, system, or disk. Select the backup location, like an external drive or cloud. Click Start Backup. To restore data, open the program, select the backup, and click Restore. That's it. Your data stays safe all the time. Now, if you want to unlock unlimited recovery and premium features, you'll need a license key. I will suggest you the best website, www.ordersoftwarekeys.com. Here you can see the price is very affordable compared to others. You'll get the official license with lifetime upgrades and premium support. So this was a complete overview of EaseUS Todo Backup Home for Windows. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.